In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage metadata and meta tags for your microsite pages. Microsites are essential elements of Boingnet lead generation and personalized campaigns. In Boingnet, the microsite is what binds a set of landing pages into a campaign for deployment and reporting purposes. We've built some powerful features into the microsite editor that allow you to construct metadata for each template page to be used in a campaign. By giving you the option to describe the metadata in the microsite rather than in the page template, we give the user the ability to reuse page templates in different campaigns with unique metadata in each campaign. The metadata tells browsers, search engines, social networks, crawlers, robots, and other software systems, like Google and AdWords, how to interpret the page and even instructions on what to do or not to do. Each time you add a new page to a microsite, you have the option to define a page title, a site name, a meta description, or a custom meta tag for that page if you'd like. I'm going to add some metadata to a microsite I already have set up called Watson's Candy. It consists of two pages, a home page that asks my customer to fill out some basic information in order to hear about weekly specials and deals, and a second thank you page that basically thanks them for completing the form. I'm going to add some metadata to the home page, so I'm going to click on this edit button. The page title of a web page is meant to be an accurate and concise description of that page's content. This element is critical to both user experience and search engine optimization. It both describes the page to search engines like Google, and it's what displays at the top of the browser when the user's on that page. Creating a compelling page title will pull in more visits from the search results. To optimize your page title, consider making it about 50 to 60 characters in length. I'm going to call mine Watson's Candy, Handmade Chocolates and Truffles. Next, I'm going to enter a site name. This site name will create a tag for Facebook Open Graph to help with social media sharing. I'm going to aim for something that's about 30 to 35 characters in length. So I'm going to call this Watson's Candy Gourmet Truffles. Next, I'm going to enter a meta description. The meta description provides a concise explanation of the contents of a web page. They're commonly used on search engine results pages to display preview snippets for a given page. While they're not important to search engine rankings, meta descriptions are important in gaining user click-through from results pages, and they can be especially useful for lead generation landing pages. To optimize your meta description, consider making it approximately 150 to 160 characters in length. The meta description I've entered is 157 characters, and it just summarizes the information on my home page for my microsite. Finally, the last box allows you to enter additional meta tags that you might want to embed in your page, including tracking codes for things like Google Analytics. I'm going to enter a no index, no follow tag to prevent search engines from searching my personalized Perl pages. There's a good example of one in our help article. And I'm just going to copy and paste it into my custom meta tag box. Remember to save your microsite when you're done making changes. And that's how you manage metadata and meta tags on your microsite pages. If you'd like more detailed information about any of the elements we talked about, then take a look at our help article on managing metadata in our knowledge base.